What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Turbo's Garage. And before we get to the video, I always like to say thank you guys for 20,000 subs. I mean, from where we have came from, I mean, this is a big deal. So shout out to all you guys. Shout out to everybody that's been helping out with the channel, sharing videos, liking it up. We appreciate you guys, definitely. Just know merch coming soon. Now, before we get into this video, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do something real stupid. What we wanna do is we wanna freaking take the wastegates off the tile and see how much boost it makes. The premise of this is we kind of already have a motor in the background that potentially really is going to go into the Tahoe probably later down the road, but we got it now. So now we want to be reckless with the Tahoe and just say, okay, let's take the wastegates and see how much boost those turbos can make. Now, especially if you look at like diesel trucks, those diesels can use the stock turbos up to like 30 psi. I don't think it's going to make that much boost, especially with the stock motor in there, because it's a different setup. It's a gas motor rather than a diesel, but the setup is still a stock bottom end 5.7 vortec, kind of heads, mild, little LT4 high cam setup, Edelbrock EFI on the top, and then we have twin Power Stroke 7.3 turbos in the rear. So what we want to see is how much boost can we actually make on this setup. So this can get real crazy. I mean, we can potentially blow the motor on the first pass. Who knows? We're still running stock auto light plug. So just to show you how reckless we are. So that's pretty much how it goes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna overboost this motor and see if it can take it. If it blows up, who cares? We're just gonna freaking do another build. Let's go. I should probably be wearing my seatbelt, but you know. Oh, that ain't good.
18 pounds, 18 pounds.
18! Hell yeah, son. Shit, 18 dude. Pounds. God. Dude. That goes crazy.
But yeah, I was wondering, of course, I can see what my AFRs were.
Yeah.
God.
Good. Motor's still good.
It is at 12 pounds.
You still have conservative timing, so
yeah.
Goddamn.
Yeah, I'm pulling timing up there.
Holy shit, you can actually have this small block holds 18 pounds.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I got it up there.
Will it live at this area? I don't know, but goddamn.
It's fun though.
It wasn't a one pass, like, it didn't blow up. I'm more afraid of the trans than the engine. The engine has proved as well.
Oh, yeah, remember,
trans-wise, I don't know.
Yeah, I put ARP head bolts, MLS head gaskets, the whole valve trains upgraded, brand new heads. Like, I know the motor can handle it. I don't know about the bottom end though. It's still a 2-bolt main bottom end, but people say they got dragsters that's 2-bolt mains that make like over 1,000 horsepower.
But each one of those bolts are big as shit.
Yeah,
so
yeah, what it is. I know it's holding up. That's all I know.
Holy shit. Dude, that thing freaking launches, bro. Launches. Oh, jeez, bro. That's just crazy.
It really makes no boost whenever I launch it. But
it doesn't make any boost when you launch?
No, on a brake boost, it don't make no boost.
Oh,
but like maybe like a half second after it starts to make. That's why I want the nitrous. But that thing on nitrous can be ridiculous.
Oh god, damn, this thing is fucking crazy.
This truck is like over 5,000 pounds.
Oh yeah, especially because you got a 4x4 and it has a turbo kit on it. A turbo kit has like an extra 100 pounds. Then the transfer case is all in the front. That's some more weight. Now that thing moves out for a truck, dude.
It does work.
I say build complete, in my opinion. I mean, as for the 5.7 vortex stage, pretty much done. So I mean, pretty much as crazy as it's gonna get before we go next level. You already know what that's gonna be. We ain't gonna reveal them plans right now. You feel me? But yeah. So Tahoe, it's done.
Oh yeah, it's awesome. I can deny say that Tahoe's not awesome. It's unique and cool.
Oh yeah. Turn some heads.
Yep.
tones. Good tune. A lot of time on that trans tune.
Oh yeah.
What's good about these, you can do 3 different tunes on the trans. You can do just in drive, and you kick it down to manual mode, but it's going to be sport mode until you touch the pedals.
Okay.
And then when you see a regular shift normal, then you touch the paddles, and now you're going to be in the tap up, tap down mode, where you can shift normal. Get back in the drive, goes back to normal. Another day at high performance.